Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting now, close Minecraft and backup worlds, then make sure drivers are up to date. Once done, open Windows Settings, right arrow System, right arrow Display, right arrow Graphics Settings to assign an app. Choose the Minecraft Launcher or Java. EXE, add it, then pick High Performance to force the discrete GPU. Make sure to save the change. This directs the game to the stronger card. You're already past the obvious setup. This gets the OS to prefer the GPU you want. Next, you'll use the GPU vendor tools for a reliable result. Open NVIDIA Control Panel or AMD Radeon Settings, go to Manage 3D Settings or Graphics, then Program Settings. Add Minecraft or the Java EXE used by your launcher. Select the dedicated GPU and set power management to maximum performance. For laptops, also set the global power plan to high performance. Once configured, close the control panel and keep the launcher closed until the next step, so the new profile applies cleanly. Now launch Minecraft and verify the renderer in F3 or with GPU-Z to confirm the chosen GPU is active. If you don't see improvement, make sure Windows Power Plan is high performance and the launcher is using the same Java EXE you configured. Once done, tweaking game settings like render distance and VSync to stabilize FPS. If things go wrong, reinstall drivers with the reset control panel settings and reassign the program. That one troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.